Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to remove numbers from Google Icon. Let's get started. Step 1. First, unlock your Android phone and look for the Google Chrome app on your home screen. Here, you will notice a number on the Google Chrome icon indicating unread notifications. Step 2. If you want to remove the number temporarily, simply swipe down from the top of the screen to access the notification panel. Step 3. In the notification panel, you'll see Google Chrome notifications. Just tap on the clear button and the number will be removed from the Google Chrome icon. Step 4. If you want to permanently stop numbers from appearing on the Google icon, tap and hold the Google Chrome app icon. Step 5. After that, select the App Info option from the menu. Step 6. In the App Info menu, find and tap on the Notifications option. Step 7. By default, this option is enabled. Simply tap on the toggle button to turn off notifications and you have permanently stopped numbers from appearing on the Google icon. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to the channel.